Got my best friend with me, showing him around the house. He's looking at everything. Boy, he's looking at every single thing. He's looking at everything, y'all. It's my homie right here. There's the closet. Check it out. Yeah. I ain't gonna go in my room. I got my dogs in there, and I don't know how he's gonna act with them. Walking in each and every room. We're in his bedroom now. Let's let him check the birds out. We ain't gonna go in here to the other bedroom. Here's one of the birds. There's Grincho. Just let him sing. You want to see Guapo? I think Guapo's down here. See? Guapo's in his bungalow. You want to see Mohawk? Look at Mohawk. That's Brooke walking in. You see your stuffed animals? Do you want it? Here's a stuffed animal, y'all. Look at it. Oh, yeah. He's checking everything out. He's checking everything out, fellas. He's checking it all out. Yeah, it's okay.